In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear data and turn off suggested people in Outlook. If you've noticed Outlook guessing contacts as you type and you'd rather manage that list yourself, this quick walkthrough will show you how to wipe those suggestions and stop new ones from appearing. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook into the search bar, then click the official Outlook website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in to your account so you're taken to the Outlook web experience. This process works whether you land in Mail or Calendar, so don't worry about which view you see first. Once Outlook opens, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where all the customization happens. A panel will slide out on the right. If you don't immediately see the options we're about to use, look for a link at the bottom that says something like View All Outlook Settings so you can open the full settings window. Inside Settings, select General. This section controls the core behavior of Outlook, including region, language, and privacy controls. Within General, choose Privacy and Data. This page governs how Outlook uses and stores certain types of information to personalize your experience. On the Privacy and Data page, locate the area labeled Suggested People. Suggested People is what powers those autocomplete and recommendation lists based on your previous messages and interactions. If those suggestions feel cluttered or irrelevant, clearing them will remove the stored history that feeds those prompts. Click Clear Data and turn off. Outlook may ask you to confirm that you want to proceed. Confirm to finalize the change. This performs two actions at once. First, it clears the existing suggestion data so past interactions no longer influence who appears as a suggestion. Second, it disables the feature so Outlook stops collecting new data for suggestions going forward. If you change your mind later, you can come back to this same spot and re-enable it. But note that the cleared history won't return automatically. Give the page a moment to apply your changes. If suggestions continue to appear immediately, try refreshing the browser tab to make sure the new setting takes effect across your session. That's it. You've opened Outlook, gone into Settings, navigated through General to Privacy and Data, found Suggested People, and selected Clear Data and Turn Off. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more controlled Outlook experience.